Welcome to my data stories. Today I'll be showing you how to use Power BI on one of the applications I've developed. This is an imaginary business where they have product and they're selling them all over the world. So this is their sale territory. A particular product they are buying, they got their buying price and also what the business want. They want to calculate the average and the total sales. So what we have done, we have calculated up the total sales buying price of the product using the Power BI. And so every time you feed your data, you can be able to use this dashboard to analyze the data, and you can use the filters. So for example, here you can filter, based on the date when the product was sold. So we can see we got different dates here. Also, you can be able to filter your data with the sales region itself here. So it's going to come through. So there you go. So we can filter Australia, we can filter Canada, and also we can see each and every country, and also we can compare maybe two countries at the same time. Another thing, you can be able to drill down on that particular country for that particular data. So let's say, for example, for Australia, we can click Australia. There we go. And now what it's doing is drilling the data by year. So, and then it's going to go down to the month. So you can see the beauty of using the Power BI. You can be able to drill the data up to the lowest granularity. So even if you want to know, how, what that is sales, which is made of that particular month, you can go down to the days, when the sales was done. And also you can be able to go back. So you just click that, that will take you back, and you can be able to expand. Again, you can be able to clean that. That will give you everything, and then you just use your filters as you like. So that is a nutshell how to use a Power BI and how to be able to get the analysis which can be able to give you the competitive advantage from your competitors, because you got the data and you can be able to see what's happening with the business. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.